Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Charity Week, so I'm going to be talking about, what you'd expect. It's not a particularly funny week or, anything too entertaining. It's quite a serious week, but I feel like it's important to do stuff like this. And it's good to talk about things like this. So, yes, it might take me a while to get to my actual point, so bear with me, but I'm going to get started. So on YouTube lately there's been a lot of negative things going around over the past couple of weeks. You've probably heard there's been things going on with Sam Pepper, Jason, so many people, just so many negative things that kind of makes YouTube look like a bad place and a negative place. And I just wanted to shed some light on YouTube and tell you that it's not all bad things. I feel like for someone who's maybe new to YouTube or just hears about this type of thing, they're going to think that it's kind of a bad community and it's a bad place to be, but it is not, because YouTube has done and managed to do some amazing things. Obviously, besides entertaining people and letting people talk to each other, it's also been very beneficial to charities. One example that I can think of off the top of my head that happened recently is Emma Blackery. Now, Emma Blackery said that she was going to shave her head for charity, which is great, and she asked people to donate. She wanted to raise, I think it was £10,000 in, I'm not sure how many days it was, and she ended up getting that within like the first day or something, and altogether she raised 26,000 or 28,000. I'm not entirely sure, I probably should have researched this, but she raised a lot more money than she was expecting to, and I think that's amazing. That just shows how good YouTube can be. It also shows that these YouTubers have a lot of power over how they portray themselves and how they, what they put up. So they can say something that can influence millions of people. They have a lot of control over how other people think. They can influence other people's opinions by what they say, and I think that's amazing to be able to talk to millions of people about anything you want. So as for charities, obviously they can talk about charities and they can talk about whatever they want. Because they have this voice, they can use it in any way they want. They could use it in a negative way, which isn't, what you should do, but they can also do it in a positive way, and that's why I think it's good for big YouTubers with lots of subscribers to talk about charities, because charities are so helpful to millions of people, and if they can get everyone to donate, then that's amazing. Think about it, okay, PewDiePie, 30 million subscribers. If every single one of their subscribers watched that video and every single one of them donated £1 to a charity, that's £30 million that could be raised for one charity. So they have a lot of power over what they say and how other people think, and I think the YouTubers that use that, take that to their advantage and use it in a good way, I think that's a very good thing. There's also been loads of other things done, Tyler Oakley and the Trevor Project. There was the YouTube boy band that was for comic relief or sport relief. And there's been loads of other things, even just mentioning a charity. And all that money, even if you just donate £1, all that money, it accumulates into a huge amount of money, and that can help lots of people with everything. There's a charity for everything, so it's really helpful that YouTubers talk about it, because it raises awareness to other people. I'm not, I know a lot of people are kind of close with a certain charity because it's local or because, they work alongside it. I'm not like that, but I do think charities are an important thing, because they just help so many people that wouldn't be able to have the help otherwise. So yeah, I just wanted to shed some light on YouTube and tell you that it's not all bad. YouTube is a great community if it's used in the right way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube Sisters, and I will see you next Friday. Bye. Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is React Week. So I'm going to be reacting to